Your oil is having a sweet pullback right now. You guys are breaking down out of this pattern. Looks like you're going to come down and hit this line down here. It will be absolutely beautiful. Now, what you guys may see is that we may get stuck in a range here and we might go sideways with it. That is perfectly okay. Because for those of you with quick fingers, you guys can trade that sideways. Up to you. Your holders, you're just gonna be see your account fluctuate sideways, see the same numbers for a while. Overall, you guys are still very bullish on oil. It's just watch out for this line. I'm pretty sure if you just measure it from here to here, it will probably, oh, would you look at that? It lines up pretty cleanly with where that support is. We'll most likely see it come down, hit this, and probably find some support somewhere. So that's all for oil. Now your bond market is setting up. Here's your bond market, TLT. This is the tradable symbol. It's the 20-year. You guys are in a bearish channel. That means you guys are going lower. You guys are also below the 200-day moving average, so you're going lower. You have a high probability. That's because the 200-day moving average pushes you down lower when you're under it. Now you guys are just bouncing in this channel down. For those of you just waiting for it to pop up and then short it on the way down with your paper trading accounts, good for you. You guys do leave a lot of gaps in the trail of the price action, which means it's moving really fast. Now, side note, as your bond market goes down, your yields will increase. So you may see the FOMC meeting increase or keep the interest rates the same. Your mortgages will most likely go up for the percentage, and your buying power, it will probably go down. Just because the dollar, well, it's kind of doing its own thing. But we'll go over that chart later just because I mentioned it. But overall, your TLT is going bearish. You guys just need to wait for a break to the upside, or you guys can just play inside of this pattern. It is completely up to you. For example, right here, you guys see this? Ooh, as soon as you get confirmation on rejection, we go down there, and then it comes back up. It does that the whole way. You guys can kind of see it here. If I turn it blue, it just comes up, down, up, down. That's all it does. It just bounces in between there. And because I mentioned it, let's go look at the dollar. You guys are in this rising wedge. Now you guys can, probably will, go all the way to the tip of this pattern. That is because you guys have been in a downtrend for a while. You guys are now above the 200-day moving average, the yellow line. So you guys may see more of the bounces up because your 200-day moving average is supporting you to the upside. You guys are still fighting a little gap here. You guys did fill it with this one wick here, so I'll go ahead and remove that. But you guys are still inside of the pattern, moving up. You guys have upper resistance up here. Overall, you guys do have a inverted double top that I just noticed. It's right there. And then you go ahead and grab your measuring tool. And if you guys don't know, I'm really bad at drawing and talking. And then move that over here. And then you guys want to break this line that you guys already broke. And now that double bottom looks like it's probably going to play out because you guys are above the 200-day moving average. You guys broke up out of the pattern, currently retesting the line. Doesn't seem like you're getting back through it. I would wait for further confirmation by clearing these highs, and then maybe you can add onto your position with paper trading and then possibly hit that price target. Of course, offload your position on the way up. But overall, your bonds going down. That is going to be a bond market downturn, which the stock market eventually follows because the bond market is much bigger than the stock market. Keep in mind, though, it does take a lot of time for that to transfer over. So don't hold me when you're just like, hey, you said it was going to go down, but today it's up, because it takes a while. And your oil pullback, beautiful. Maybe you guys can take a little swing up. Just wait for confirmation. And your dollar, if you guys keep going up, cool, more buying power, but that does mean that your stocks will most likely go down. But we'll see what happens. And with that, you guys want me to look at another stock, maybe a tech stock or something, go ahead and comment it down below. I will analyze it just for you. I will read your comments. And I will see you guys again Friday.